दिल्ली में स्थित अंतर्राष्ट्रीय अम्बेडकर भवन में केंद्रीय होम्योपैथिक अनुसंधान परिषद की ओर से 2 दिवसीय कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया। 9 और 10 अप्रैल 2019 को वर्ल्ड होम्योपैथिक डे के अवसर पर साइंटिफिक कन्वेंशन का आयोजन किया गया। देश विदेश के डॉक्टर्स, स्टूडेंट्स व इंटर्न्स ने इस कार्यक्रम में शिरकत करते हुए होम्योपैथी के विस्तार पर अपने विचार साझा किए। इस कार्यक्रम में LMHI के प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर आलोक पारिक, डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ CCRH डॉक्टर राजकुमार मनचंदा व डिप्टी डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ CCRH डॉक्टर अनिल खुराना एवं उनकी टीम का विशेष योगदान रहा। इस समारोह में देश विदेश से आए हुए चिकित्सकों व अतिथियों को मोमेंटो देकर सम्मानित भी किया गया।
I'm Dr. Rohit Bhandari. Welcome to National Thoughts. Today on 9th and 10th April, CCRH organizing a scientific convention on World Homeopathic Day. We have with us Dr. Martin Brands. Let's talk to him. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It's very nice you have come all the way from Netherlands to attend this seminar. You really think these kinds of seminars are really useful for profession?
Yes, I think it's very good that the CCRH is looking inside into the homeopathic community and tries to identify the weak spots in, like now in education and research structure, so as to use all of our expertise and experience to build more structure in research and to create better standards in education. So I think it's very, very useful. I have attended now 4 times. And every time there's this spirit.
हमारे साथ JR के होम्योपैथिक मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल रोहतक के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर सुरेश कुमार नांदल जी हैं, उनसे बात करते हैं। सर, आप इस सेमिनार में आए हैं, आप समझते हैं कि इस तरह के सेमिनार्स यूज़फुल होते हैं प्रोफेशन के लिए?
देखो, ये सेमिनार तो होते ही रहने चाहिए, ये तो हमेशा ही लाभदायक होते हैं, लेकिन इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा इत्तेफाक रखता हूँ ताकि ये सेमिनार 10 अप्रैल इसमें नहीं आना चाहिए, क्योंकि 10 अप्रैल का दिन जो है वो कॉलेजों के लिए सुरक्षित रहना चाहिए। सरकार तो कभी भी कर सकती है, 2 दिन आगे पीछे कर ले, सरकार के तो सारे दिन है। तो बाकी ये सेमिनार होते रहने चाहिए और बहुत अच्छा इंतजाम किया है, बहुत अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, बहुत अच्छे गेस्ट आए। डाइस बहुत शानदार था, उसके ऊपर बहुत अच्छे लोग बैठे हुए थे, बड़े बड़े लोग, देसी विदेशी, और ऐसा सीन जो है ना बनते रहना चाहिए। मैं तो इस बात से सहमत हूँ। ये तो बहुत अच्छा प्रयास है गवर्नमेंट का भी, और सेंट्रल काउंसिल ऑफ रिसर्च इन होम्योपैथी को मैं बधाई देता हूँ, खास तौर से उनके डायरेक्टर को और उनके सभी कर्मचारियों को बधाई देता हूँ, जिन्होंने जो है इतना अच्छा इंतज़ाम किया और बहुत अच्छा किया। लेकिन हम उनसे ये प्रार्थना करेंगे कि भाई इसको आइंदा जो है 10 अप्रैल के आगे पीछे करें।
हमारे साथ डॉक्टर अरुण भासमे जी, जो कि एक्स वाइस प्रेसिडेंट CCH हैं, महाराष्ट्र से ये सेमिनार अटेंड करने के लिए आए हैं। यू रियली थिंक कि ऐसे यूज़फुल है इस तरह के सेमिनार्स होना?
ऐसा हमारे लिए कोई दूर नहीं है। आपने जो बोला, हम कई बार दिल्ली ऐसे सेमिनार अटेंड करते आते हैं। कल भी हमने गुवाहाटी गए थे, हम वहाँ भी ये जो वर्ल्ड होम्योपैथी डे के अवसर पर वहाँ भी बड़ा प्रोग्राम आयोजित किया था, वहाँ गए थे। आज भी यहाँ हम इस प्रोग्राम में शरीक होने के लिए आए हैं। हमको बहुत खुशी है और मैं डॉक्टर मनचंदा जी और डॉक्टर खुराना जी का अभिनंदन करता हूँ कि उन्होंने अच्छी तरह से यहाँ अम्बेडकर इंटरनेशनल सेंटर में ये 2 दिन का प्रोग्राम जो साइंटिफिक कन्वेंशन यहाँ आयोजित किया है। निश्चित रूप से इसका फ़ायदा पूरे फ्रेटर्निटी को, होम्योपैथी फ्रेटर्निटी को होगा और इसके माध्यम से डेफिनेटली पूरे देश में होम्योपैथी का प्रचार और प्रसार करने में थोड़ा बढ़ावा मिलेगा।
We have with us Dr. C. Nayak from Jaipur. So you have attended this seminar here organized by CCRH. What is your takeaway from this?
Yes, because I have witnessed only the inaugural session and the vision, mission of CCRH for this seminar is excellent. That is integration of education and research in homeopathy with public service, with practice. So that is the theme, research theme is research theme, education theme and practice theme. This must be integrated, oriented and linked for the benefit of the public at large. So I have gone through the details of the scientific programs of the scientific convention and all programs are excellent. All topics are very up to the present time, present context in the Indian scenario. It will be highly beneficial for the researchers, educationists, academicians and industry and also the public at large.
We have with us doctors from all over India. So let's talk to him. Dr. Amita, you have come here to attend this seminar which is organized by CCRH. You think these kinds of seminars are really useful for the profession?
Thank you, Dr. Rohit. Yes, I personally feel that they are definitely way ahead for all the private practitioners to understand and to inculcate in their practice some sort of research as well as in their daily life. So it's a kind of a learning for professionals like private practitioners like us, that yes, what new researches are going on in the field and how to inculcate those researches in our own personal practice every day.
Dr. Khushali from Chennai and Dr. Shalja from Delhi. My question is same for both of you. What is your takeaway from this seminar?
I'm really looking forward to this seminar because I'm a private practitioner, and sometimes you get locked into just your private practice, and this updates your knowledge continuously. And CCRH is great. Their website also is great, and you always like to touch base and take back what they're doing continuously in the field of research, which keeps us competent for the rest of the world also.
The best part was the portal that has been inaugurated. We'll learn a lot from the portal and we'll incorporate the studies carried on by CCRH into our clinical practice and provide the data how our patients are improving with the same. That's it.
We have with us Deputy Director General of CCRH, Dr. Anil Khurana, who has organized this event. Let's talk to him. Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, this scientific convention you are organizing here, please tell me something about this.
Basically, we are doing this kind of conventions every year on World Homeopathy Day. Now this has become a regular feature for us, and it is supported by Ministry of Ayush. And this is an event which marks the birthday of founder of homeopathy, Samuel Hahnemann. So that we take note of this, since many doctors are joining on this conference. So this time our theme is linking research with education and clinical practice, and that is our main area now. That our education sector, they should come forward with some kind of a novel researches. Now PG has gone into so many of years, so postgraduates should learn the intricacies of research. They should get acquainted with what kind of researches they can take up, what kind of the demands are there in the scientific platform to understand the research side. Similarly, clinical practice is growing fast. People have accepted homeopathy. That is what we require, that this clinical practice, wherever there are success stories, that should come to light. And they can only come to light once people are aware about these are some successful case studies, if they have treated some rare disease, and that should come into the public domain. And this kind of a platform, we have invited so many of practitioners to present these kind of success stories also.
So you are planning to organize such kind of events in near future also?
Every year we will be organizing this kind of a event, but however we have also signed many MOUs with homeopathic medical colleges, where we are going to have a direct interaction with them in their respective colleges. We are sensitizing their faculties, research students, PG students, so that they can come into the same level of high-end research, doing some kind of a meaningful research. Dissertation is not simply an academic exercise, it is purely a research arena where they have to work in a qualitative manner.
We have with us the Director General of CCRH, Dr. Rajkumar Manchanda ji. Sir, at this 2 days scientific convention CCRH organizing, and you are Director General of CCRH, how this idea of scientific convention came into your mind?
So now this convention we are organizing consistently for the last about 3-4 years. The idea is because this is the time that gives us opportunity to share whatever best is happening in the field of research with the profession. So we take it as a challenge. We keep on collecting the information related to research and latest developments of homeopathy and other things, whatever we are doing. We all present during these 2 days of convention. We also interact with the profession, like we have now. This time we are going to interact with on one hand with the colleges, on the other hand with the clinical practitioners. We have identified selected clinical practitioners, those who have published their cases in peer-reviewed journal or in good publications. So we have tried to identify them, and we have invited them to present those cases, so that we should be able to do in-depth discussion and eventually should be able to affect the quality of further publication in homeopathy. On the other hand, we are taking several colleges and their students on board The reason is we want that let faculty be trained in high quality research in homeopathy. Now world over, India is seen as a very, very important country for research in homeopathy. So if we have to take up those challenges and we have to harp on those opportunities, we need to develop our researchers in practice, researchers in clinics. Now one of the most important things where now world is looking at is how in your normal practice you can take out the research data. So for that also we are going to have separate discussions, and I hope that everyone will be benefited out of it.
Sir, as you said, everyone will be benefited. The doctors who are in government job as well as in private practice as well as students also. So sir, you are planning to organize such kind of events in near future also?
CCRH, this is the main event of CCRH that we organize every year. Apart from that, whosoever organizes conferences in India, whether it is national organization like HAMAI, IAHP or any of South Delhi Homeopathic Medical Association, CCRH and its scientists participate. We have a technical base of about 125 scientists full-time working with CCRH in different parts of India. We have given full liberty to them to participate in all these events, even in monthly meetings of doctors, even in colleges if they are organizing some research-oriented workshops, and all doctors participate. This is how we participate.
As I have seen, doctors from all over the world have come here to attend this. Yeah. I really congratulate sir for this event.
Thank you. And for this, this time we are organizing this with Faculty of Homeopathy. Now Faculty of Homeopathy is having 175 years of experience in of running homeopathic courses. Mm-hmm. They have seen both good times also, they have seen both hard times also, and are still seeing the hard times. Mm-hmm. So now we are collaborating with them to understand their journey and what more needs to be done for Indian education systems.